Today we are looking at a 2019 Boston Whaler Montauk. This is a beautiful blue colored Gelcoat. Comes equipped with a 115 Mercury outboard. This is a great fishing boat. Comes equipped with a Livewell, rod holders. It's got front stainless steel bow rails on it. Swim platform with grab rails. Comes with a sun top and a cover on the console. Galvanized trailer with swing away tongue. It's got a cooler seat with cushions and a backrest. Everything you'd want in a nice Boston Whaler fishing package. Come on down to MarineMax Sailandski, Austin, Texas, and take a look at the 2019 Boston Whaler Montauk 170. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, feel free to call me or ask for any of our sales staff, or visit us at any of our locations, Austin, San Antonio, or Lakeway.